There are EMS guidelines for caring for a patient suspect or diagnosed with Marburg virus, and these were actually published in March of 2023. However, look at this photo, and it was published stating that this was headlines for EMS guidelines. Not true. This started with the very beginning of Ebola in this country and concerns about lining vehicles with plastic. But that is not what is in the EMS guidelines. So this photo is a real problem. As I stated, the photo was for Ebola and stated or led the reader to believe that this was the current CDC guidelines for personal protective equipment for EMS in now talking about Marburg virus. The message here is don't jump the gun on what you see. Don't immediately react to, for example, that photograph without checking things out before your departments respond. So the protective equipment for healthcare workers in EMS published by World Health and the CDC stated we would use standard precautions, droplet, and contact precautions. That we would avoid contact with contaminated surfaces. And when within 3 feet of the patient, because this is bloodborne but also droplet transmitted, we would wear a cover gown, gloves, a face shield or mask with protective eyewear, and conduct good hand washing. So these were the actual EMS guidelines for Ebola.